Sight and sound. Dolby Vision maximizes the power of every pixel for earth-shattering depth, color, and clarity. Dolby Atmos puts you inside the action with sound that truly surrounds. Born from cinema. Now built for TV. See, hear, spectacular.
Now, sound moves around you in three-dimensional space with breathtaking audio quality. It brings the on-screen action alive and immerses you in every moment. Whether the soundscape sets the mood of a scene,
Come on, you guys, let's go!
or captures the full extent of nature's fury. And remember this? It's just the beginning.